is going to be the first day that everybody is going off to work. Leo's at daycare now, Donovan's at work, and I'm headed out. So, see you guys later. Look who's finally home. Say hi, everybody. You have fun playing with the stuffed animal Aunt Lauren got for you? Huh? It's fluffy, isn't it? Yeah. Look at you and all your toys. You can never decide which one to play with, can ya? Yeah. You can play with your remote now? Hmm? Uh-oh. You still got the hiccups? Do you still got the hiccups? Uh-oh. You still got them nose hiccups. Did you push all your toys away? Did you push them all away? Well, the remote's on your left side. I know you can reach the remote. Oh, there it is. Where Mommy goes. I know. Is it better? Uh-oh. Is the car all the way over here? Oh, the swimming motion, the swimming motion. Are you gonna ever crawl?